What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at my 9 to 5 on my lunch break, so I'm stuck at work. While I'm stuck at work, have a look at some of the work that I've been getting done to Plain Jane, the Mark II. Check it out. All right, so we have on our lightened flywheel, and yes, how can I help you? So we have on our lightened flywheel, and our stage eBay clutch, which is supposed to hold up to 400 horsepower or something like that. I'm not sure, but we're about to find out. Now, the reason I got this is because for $200 for a stage eBay race clutch, I thought it was well worth it. Even if this disc is shit, I still got a lightened flywheel out of the deal. So let's get this together. So you clean it first, and then wipe it clean with one of the dirtiest rags.
Hey. Play the block early morning till a nigga sleepy. I said I need it all, stack it up, they call me greedy. I stepped in the kitchen, I whipped up a ball. Then we got to the guap, took her to the mall. Throw it in the bag, I ran out the bag. Gotta get to that cash phone, whip I do the dash.
Alright, got the engine and transmission bolted together. Let's see if we can get it in the car.
Taller, got a lot smaller, almost had a daughter. Getting to that pace, I said I did that race. I read her twice a day, I swear that I don't play. I'm sipping lean, and I mix with lemonade. These streets driving me crazy, and I'm yelling for the Lord, they drive me crazy. And free all of my dogs in them cages. They locked up in them walls, and they making all them calls. I swear when you get out, but Brody, we gon' ball. Stacks of money past you, you could call that tall. We switching up, yeah, we switching lanes, ho. Yeah, we sliding in Durango.
A provocative novelist amongst dishonest men. I'm a narcissist, a narcissist, and a narcissist, and a parsonage, snorting arsenic. I'm the marvelous brother of Artemis. Girl, you don't want no part of this world that's demolishing. Everyone is softening, the leaders get to plotting shit. If there's a line, I mean the snorting or I'm crossing it. I've always got cotton mouth, you could call me a moccasin. The trap house is a glass house, I'm just slinging rocks in it. Maybe it's time to find myself a new cognitive. Looking at me like an novelist, like I'm where the knowledge is. This all what the problem is, pop another Klonopin. I'm from where the fallen live, this is rock bottomless. But at least I'm on top of it like a monument. Find me where the carnage is, no pause in this. Now you got me talkative, I'm toxic, diabolic, and you caused the shit. It's ironic, I'm iconic, you just haven't seen me want it yet. Now you're looking at me in astonishment. With all these songs I spit, I'm awesome, bitch, I'm a god at this. Look at my accomplices, dropping constant hits. We conquer continents quicker than the cops get off due to their incompetence. This beat sounds like when the gavel hits. This isn't just something that I dabble in. Snakes in the grass, I can hear them rattling. My mind stays gone, it's always traveling. Hold away the second chair, the transfer airbags. I'm about to wreck it, moving bricks like Tetris. Mushroom chips for breakfast, ruthless and reckless. True shit attested, excuses, deception. You missed the lesson, I'm elusive with these hexes. My future's so bright it would kill an epileptic. My crew got sights on the weapon, so many lights if they were inspected. Look like a message and braille across your chest and your grill. You know what they say, no face, no case, leaving nothing to tell. They sleeping on me like a park bench. Got a tendency to flip a beat and commit arson. I'm the reason Adam and Eve had to lead a garden. How you acting like a target but wanna bargain a pardon? I'm a garnish, even if my garments are tarnished. An artist whose vision goes farthest when embarking through the darkness. Get confession boxes popping like an East Orlando college. On Suboxone, dropping knowledge like a common bitch, I've only started.
Oh yeah, we grinding. Yeah, we grinding. Oh yeah, we grinding. Oh yeah, we grinding. Oh yeah, we grinding. Yeah, hey. You know what the fuck going on, man? You know what I'm saying? Stunning squad in this bitch.
If you like the music on today's video, check out the SoundCloud account. I'll put the link down in the description. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.
We count up them breaks. Got a stash house with them breaks. Yeah, you know we in this bitch. Got the bag on me, bitch.